'Pag mahal mo yung tao, kahit anong mangyari paglalaki mo. Sus naman! I may not be a perfect wife, but I know that I'm perfect for you. Actually, he's my first boyfriend. And bago ako umalis ng church namin sa Born Again, ang hirap i-let go kasi kingdom kid. Pag sinabi pong kingdom kid, since baby, nandun ka na sa church. And it's a hard decision for me kasi po, parang hirap tanggapin ng parents. Pero since hindi niya ako sinukuan, lagi ako nakikipaghiwalay. Pero si Andre, hindi siya nag-give
Every
up.
sunrise feels like gold. Another story to be told. These are the days
Alam ka namang nasa mabuti ka ng tapo.
the moments we'll treasure. Oh, could this get any better? See the beauty all around. There's always wonder to be found.
Kami nagbalot niyan.
World full of color, we'll journey together. Oh, could this get any better? Sunny days.
May paring nagtanong sa akin, anong dahilan mo? Bakit yung siya pakakasalan? And ang sagot ko is that Joanna is an opportunity for us to become holy. Excited na ako maging banal, maging holy kasama si Joanna.
I promise to love you every day, especially when you don't feel lovable. To support you in your passions and hobbies, to respect you in all circumstances, and to choose you always in all.
The moments we'll treasure. Oh, could this get any better?
Nakagwapong bayaw? Isa lang naman to eh.
Come with me.
Pangako ko sa'yo na sa tuwing aawitin ang lupang hinirang, alab ng puso sa dibdib ko'y langit-laging buhay. Mapupuno ang puso ng pag-ibig dahil para sa'yo at sa magiging mga anak natin iaalay ang awit.
Sunny days, summer nights.
Receive this gift of mine. May you use this as a minor upgrading.
Turnover ceremony. Isa lang ang masasabi ko, love, yari ka sa akin.
Minamahal naming Bennett Andre Joanna Marie, ang langit at lupa ay saksi sa inyong pagtitipan. Kami nagpapatunay na kayo'y mag-asawa na sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng tao.
Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wild light. Tell me, could this get any better? Open skies, open roads, every mile new unknown. Tell me, could this get any
Whatever life throws at us, we will face it together. As we spend the rest of our lives together, may we also continue to grow as individuals. With God at the center of our marriage, may He bless us with beautiful children who look like you. I will love you for the rest of my life. I love you so much, my love, my best friend, and my
so much to discover here in this beautiful
Wish sa bagong kasal.
Love you!
love you, Ma.
Ano eh, wala na akong magulang, wala na akong kapatid. Wala na akong asawa. Si Bennett na lang ang meron ako, kaya you're the one, Goldilocks.
open skies, open roads, every mile a new unknown. Tell me, could this get any better? Oh, could this get any
Maraming salamat sa pagpili at patuloy na pagpili sa akin. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa pag-ibig mo at ramdam na ramdam ko ang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa akin.